Hi guys, welcome. Today we learn about conditioning in Python. There are three conditions in Python: if else and else if. Coming to if we if is used to uh, check the condition, given condition is true or false. If it is true, the statement under the if will be executed. Here let us consider a equal to 1. Here a is greater than or equal to 0 is true, and the statement is a is this statement is executed. If a is less than 0 is false statement. Since it is 1, a is 1, a is less than 0 is a false statement. This statement will not be executed. Let's run this. If we give 1 and execute, is giving 1 is a positive number. In the same way, if you give -1 and execute it, is giving a -1 as negative number. In this way, if condition works. Next, coming to else condition. Else is nothing but if condition is false, it automatically refers else condition. Here, the if let's execute this and see how it works. Here, if we give 1, 1 is true for a greater than 0 equal to 0, and a is positive 1 is positive number is executed. And if we give -8, it is giving -8 is a negative number. It is automatically referring the if condition is and if condition is false, it automatically shift going to else condition. In this way, else is printed, and the else statement is executed. In this way, else works. And next, coming to else if. Here, else if is nothing but if if is failed, it goes to else if is failed, it goes to else. In this way it works. The main importance of else if is, else if is if else if is not executed, it will not turns to next statement. Let's execute this and know how it works. Here we are giving the it as 0 as the input. It's printing a is 0. Here what happened is it is checking the if condition, and next it is false and going to else if condition, and next it is false and going to else condition. In this way it works. In this way else if works. Next, nested if conditions. We can give if condition inside an if condition, and here if when condition is given and the statement, if this if condition is true, it goes inside the statements and also runs this statement, that is another if condition, and if this if condition is true, it runs the inside statement too. Here let's execute. Here initially let's check what is the logic. We are taking an input. If x percentile is 2 equal to 0 means if x is even, it is printing even, and if inside it if x is even and 10, it is also printing x is 10. If x is 20, it is printing x is 20. Else it is printing x is not 10 and 20. In this way, the nested if else statement works. Let's execute. Let's give a number 19, and let's execute. Here all the nested if this whole statement is checked, and it goes into else statement. Outside the nested else, there is another else which is related to this if, and this if is false and going to this else statement. And let's execute this again. This time we give an even number, that is 2. That is 2. Here it is executing x is even, and is also executing these two statements is false and else it going to else, and the x is not 10 and 20 is printed. In this way it works. If we want to get is let's give x as 10 and see how it works. here what's happening is x is even and it is also equal to 10, and this x is 10 is also printed. In this way nested if statement works. Thank you. And you can refer, there is link, exercise link will be provided in video description. Happy learning. Thank you.